Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the bike so the rear wheel spins freely. This prevents false readings. Once done, shift to a middle gear and remove most chain slack to stabilize the system. You then mount the Motion Pro alignment bar onto the chain at the specified tabs. Make sure fittings sit flush. Tighten the clamp finger tight, not full force. This lets you fine-tune. This step establishes a repeatable reference, which is why accuracy here saves time later and avoids rework. With the tool mounted, rotate the wheel slowly while watching the indicator marks. Look for consistent gaps relative to the sprocket face. You should use a straight edge or 0.5 mm feeler to compare the bar to both sprockets. This tells you whether the rear wheel is off left or right. Once identified, loosen the axle bolts and nudge the wheel in small increments, then red-iton and recheck. You repeat measurement and adjustment until the bar sits parallel to both sprockets, meaning true chainline. After achieving parallel alignment, torque the axle nuts to the manufacturer spec and then recheck the Motion Pro indicator. Tightening can shift the wheel slightly, so verify again. You should do a short test ride and listen for any chain rub or skipping. If present, stop and remeasure. If alignment fails to hold, inspect axle spacing, wheel dish, and hub bearings for play, because hardware issues mimic misalignment. One reliable troubleshooting tip: always recheck alignment under final torque, since that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.